Adam Konjuszewski u ċiklist li matul din is-sena se jkun dar fuq ir-rota 20 pajjiż inkluż Malta. Ma' TVM News tkellem fuq dan il-proġett li jfakkar it-tmiem tal-gwerra l-birda u għalhekk il-waqa' tal-ħajt ta' Berlin. Adam spjega li normalment Malta ma tkunx inkluża f'din ir-rotta, iżda u rrid ifakkar il-post fejn Bush u Gorbachev iddikjaraw it-tmiem tal-gwerra l-birda.
I have embarked on this special project, the 24 gravel tour of the Iron Curtain Trail, going all the way to Berlin to celebrate the 35th anniversary of the fall of the Berlin Wall. So this is a very special journey, and I have started in Malta just a few days ago. That was last week, and I toured for 2 days the island. This was the beginning of my tour because on November 9, we will celebrate the fall of the Berlin Wall, the 35th anniversary, and the end of the Cold War. But it is in Malta that 3 weeks after the fall of the wall in Berlin that President Bush and Secretary General Gorbachev met, shook hands, and officially declared the end of the Cold War.
Adam Konjuszewski għalilna li l-jumejn tiegħu f'Malta kienu possibbli grazzi għall-Ambaxxata Maltija fil-Polonja u għall-inizjattiva tal-Ambaxxatur Marisa Farrugia li qal irranġat ukoll biex Adam jiltaqa' ma' nies bħal Rota u ma' Steve Zammit Lupi, is-sindku ta' Żebbuġ li hu magħruf li jaqdef ħafna fuq ir-rota anke barra l-pajjiż.
Actual trail stretches from the tip of Norway across 20 countries all the way down to the borders of Turkey. And this represents the former Iron Curtain, which today is the Eurovelo 13, a cycling trail that stretches for 10,550 kilometers. So Malta is an addition to this trip. And there's another city that I will add as well, which is Geneva in Switzerland, where I am based, and where President Reagan and Gorbachev met in 1985 in order to start discussions, and these talks ended up bringing towards the better collaboration between the Soviet Union, the United States, and the West, and the events that followed.
Konjuszewski iddeskriva l-vjaġġ tiegħu f'Malta u l-fatt li kien fuq ir-rota l-jumejn bħala vjaġġ sabiħ iżda mimli sfidi, speċjalment minħabba t-temperaturi għoljin, wera t-tama li jerġa' jżur pajjiżna.